Hi guys, and welcome to Friday's lesson. It's just the checkup on our number sentences, topic 25, and obviously it's page 161 we see before us. So I would like you to look at and understand what number sentences are, equations and frames, and definitely the difference between an equation and just a number sentence. It's extremely important. Look at B. What sign is missing from these number sentences? Is it less than, equals, or greater than? So I'd like you to do B, D, E, G, and H, please. And then if you look at number 2, fill in the missing numbers. I would like you to do not A, B, D, E, F, G, H, and I. And that's, guys, again, revisiting the whole idea of having your full number as opposed to having part of a number. If you look at 2A, a fifth of 70, to get a fifth of any number, we divide by the denominator, and then if that were 2/5, we'd multiply the answer by 2 to get 2/5. Now in B, we have 49, 0.45, and we recall what Miss Campbell and Miss Walker have been saying all along, that it's best to convert it to a fraction and then divide. So 0.45 is 45 over 100, that's 45 hundredths. And I break that down, guys, because I can see when you're dividing by 100 under the line, it doesn't work. So I would there divide by 5 on the top, and what you do to the top, you must do to the bottom. And remember, the number you choose must go into the top, the numerator, and into the bottom, the denominator, evenly, not equally, evenly. So we know there that we have 9 20ths, so we'll work that out. And then when you go to 0.25 in E of a number is 25. Now you're doing D there as well, but I just want to draw your attention to 0.25. And we do know that 0.25 is a quarter. And a quarter of a number is 25. And you have to find out what number you put in the frame. So you have a quarter is 25. So that's a big clue there. And if you could do the rest, guys, and we'll upload those answers for you on Monday. And then in 3, I wouldn't mind you doing A and D. And in 4, fill in the missing mathematical symbols in the equations, plus, minus, multiplication or division. So you have to decide. In A, you have equals. So you have to put in the different symbols in order to make the equation balance. So what it will be on the left hand side of the equals must be the same as what's on the right hand side. There's no kind of untruth to that sentence. Actually, it's an equation, so we balance the left and on the right of the equals. So it's 67, and you must find out whether you put a plus, a minus, a multiplication or a division in there, and then you add. And remember again, guys, if you are doing these sums, you have to remember that we always do my dear Aunt Sally multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So you must bear that in mind always, because you always do multiplication before my dear division, Aunt and Sally. So division, addition, subtraction, and you have to remember that whilst doing these, and again they must balance. Solve it. Write an equation for each of the following sentences and then solve. So you write an equation, which means what's on the left hand side of the equals is the exact same as on the right hand side of the equals, and you have your frame. And once you write out your number sentence, then you fill in the frame to make it an equation. And I'd like you actually to do the 8 of those, and we'll upload those answers for you on Monday. And then, number sentence, you should know what that means. Mathematical sign, and they're all the symbols above. Equation, and an open sentence. Remember, an open sentence always has a frame. And that's it, guys, because you have no groups to work in today. I'll have 161 uploaded for you on Monday's homework portal. And have a lovely weekend, guys, and thanks so much for your attention, for your hard work and dedication. Miss Campbell and I truly, truly appreciate it, and we'd love you to keep up with all the great work. It will definitely, definitely pay off, and keep you up to date with your maths work this year in preparation for 6th class this coming September. Please God. Okay, guys, talk to you. Bye.